These talents are incredible, but wait until you see the last one. It will blow your mind.